Yes, guys, wait for a second. I'll just share my screen. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay, 1 second. What about you, Kadir? I have asked you to watch the videos, right? Have you watched them?
Yes, ma'am, I'm watching.
Okay. So, okay, let's do some data structures like types of data which are there in Python. Previously, we have also done the data types of Python, but what we'll do now is we will go deep into the data structures and everything. Okay. So, firstly, in the types of data structures, mostly common types of data types are list, tuple, dictionary, string, set, everything. We have already learned about it. So what we'll do today is we will go deep inside it, and we will do each example for each of the feature. Okay. So first is a list. List is an unordered and which list is always an ordered and mutable collection of elements. A list and list can hold multiple data types like integers, numbers, strings, and it can hold other types of list also. Okay. Firstly, what we'll see how to create a list, and we'll print that list and everything we'll do. Okay. 1 second. Wait for a second. We'll cover some topics and then do our topics. Okay, wait. Next, we have some. We have in the data structures of list. We have two topics, which is nothing but indexing and slicing. Okay, indexing and slicing. So we'll cover that also. How the indexing and slicing is done. And in the list, we have different. This is nothing but the indexing and slicing list operations. In the indexing, will give the access to the our print statement using some index. Like if I want from zero element to second element, then I will just give here like slicing it from first element to the third element. You slice that element and give me the part of that list. And in indexing, what we can do is if we are having some index, like if I want to get the index of 9 output which is there in the 9 index, I need that output only. So I will just write as 9 or something, and I will get the index. Okay, next we have the slicing, in which we will take some part of the list, only some part in the middle part or at the last or at the front, any part we can take. Those are nothing but the list operations. Okay, next we have some list methods. We have not done this previously. We have only done the list and everything, what is the list, and we have done some examples for list. But in the list also we have list operations and list methods also. So in the list methods, there are four types of methods in this, which are nothing but append, remove, sort, and len. In the append, it is nothing but we'll add an element at the end. Okay, if the mango is there right here, if I'm writing fruit dot append and I'm writing some name, that is meaning that after the list is completed, add this mango. Now here is my list here: apple, banana, and cherry. This is my example of fruits. What I will do is I will write as this formula. I will write fruits dot append. I will write fruits is nothing but my variable name. Dot append I will write again. I will give one more fruit name, mango. I'm giving. So my list is updated as apple, banana, cherry and mango. So that is how it is working. If I want to remove any specific element, I will just write as remove, and which element should I remove, that element I will write. Next I am having a sort. Sort meaning either we are sorting the list in ascending order. If the numerical values are there in our data set and everything, if I want to sort it, then I will do this numbers and I will sort it according to the ascending order. And lastly, we have len. Len is nothing but we will count the characters or number of elements in our list and everything. Okay. Next, we have tuples. Okay. In tuples, a tuple is little bit similar to list only. Okay. In this also there is a list and everything. But only difference in the list and tuple is list can be updated anytime. Like we are using append method here, na? In this append method we are using in list method. So in this we cannot use that append method because we cannot update the tuples. Once we are writing a tuple, it cannot be updated. It is a immutable, but it is an order only. And the main difference of it, for a second. And the main difference between the tuple and the list is nothing but we are writing syntax for list as this square brackets, and for tuple we are giving a curve bracket. Okay, if I'm writing a same list but I'm giving a square bracket for tuple, then that is taken as a list only because I'm giving a square bracket. Okay, mostly these are non this is immutable, meaning we cannot change it once we are written. Ok, and we can use this with different types of data sets and everything. That is nothing but tuple. Okay, next we have strings. We have already discussed this string in previous classes, but we have only discussed about the text and the syntax of it. So in this string we have some string functions also. First of all, a string is a sequence of characters which are enclosed in this quotes. These quotes are there, na? This quotes, if anything which is enclosed in this quotes, that is called as string in Python. So in this string functions, we have three types of functions, which is nothing but upper, split, and replace. Upper meaning we are just converting the case from up from small letters to capital letters. Again, one more function is there, which is nothing but a lower function. In the lower function, we are converting from the small letters to the capital letters. Again, we have split function. Split function, as you can see in this example, this a b c is written in the form of text. Again, if you are splitting it, each character is spreaded like a b and c, like that each character is spread. Again, if we want to replace anything, any part of a string, then we can write as, see this hello is there, H is in capital, and we want to replace small h with the capital H. So I'm just writing small h and giving comma. Then my list is updated as capital H hello. This is how the string works, and these are some types of string functions. Okay, and we shall practice some exercises also in the Jupyter notebook after completing it. And from here we are starting from dictionaries, we are starting the second part of the data structure. Still now we have done with the strings, tuples and listener. That is the first part of a data structures. Now we will be starting the second part of the data structures. So which is nothing but, firstly we have a dictionary. So a dictionary stores data. Always it will be storing the data in the form of key and key value pairs. Okay, and mostly the key which is there, that key should be always unique. that should not be similar to any of the variable name which you have used in the previous. Key should be always be using, and it should be storing data in key value pairs only. Okay, see here, this is an example. Here student, this is nothing but the unique name which is nothing but key, and it is mapping, a key is mapping towards the values which are nothing but name, age, marks, and everything. And whenever you're writing a dictionary, always remember you're writing it with a curly brackets only. If you're not specifying it with curly brackets, or if you're writing as curve brackets, then it will be taken as tuple. Okay, that is the thing. And this is not in the previous which we have studied tuple and list. That is nothing but an ordered feature. We'll give everything in order and everything. But in dictionary, there is no need of the order or anything. We can give the ordered, unordered list also. And we can also update, delete, or change any, modify any items which is you want to modify in dictionary. It is a mutable, so you can modify. How you can modify or delete, these are nothing but the dictionary operations. So in this dictionary operations, we are just if I want to add any value, I will just add this student. I will write the variable name, and I will, what I want to add, I will just write that in square brackets and everything. Okay, I will just add the value. If I want to update, I will update. If I want to delete, just I will write as delete. If I want to get the access of any values, I will just write as print, then print, and I will give the uh, variable name, again which data I want to give, again I will give the date of it. This is nothing but the dictionary operations. Next we have some iterating to dictionary. Iterating to dictionary meaning we will write some programs in this some of the data. From that we can also get the looping values, loop through key values, or loop through values and everything. Okay, if you are writing any iterating values or anything, we can get that. Okay, if you we'll also do cover this in our Jupyter notebook. Once let me finish. Next we have a list, sorry, sets. Sets are nothing but it is a unordered collection of unique items. Okay, in this we can take any type of any data type, and we can also take any unordered list. Like we can write one, two, and whenever I'm get like three, two times if you want, four, five times if you want. But whenever you're printing that whole statement, you will get the output as one only. Now see here, I'm having some numbers as one, two, and 3 is repeated two times. Okay, but in the output I will get 3 only in one time. So this is nothing but a list which is unordered. And sometimes what will give the list set, what will give is it will also give a unique number. So in my output I can also get 5 also here. If at all I'm not having any number in the 5 here in the numbers, I have some chances of getting 5 in my output, because it will take some unique elements also. That is only its speciality, it will take unique elements. Okay, but it will not take any duplicate elements. Only one element is repeated only one time. So how it is done, we will see some operations of this. Set operations. Set operations are nothing but we have the some four operations, which is nothing but union, intersection, add, and remove. In the union, it what it does, if we are having some set, two sets I'm having here, one, two, three, and one more set is three and four. So if I want to reunion all this, and three is repeated two times, I will get the union of this as one, two, three, and four. I will not get 3 as 2 times repeated. So this is how the operation is working. Next we have some intersection. Intersection is nothing but we are taking only common elements which are there. So in this two list are there 1, 2, 3, and we are inserting it into 2, 3, and 4. So in this common elements are nothing but 2 and 3. So I will get the common elements output as 2 and 3. Again, if I want to add any element in the set, I can just write as set 1 dot add 5, meaning I'm adding 5 to my set and everything I will add. If I want to remove an element, I will just write as remove and I will remove the element. Okay. So we shall do this in Jupyter notebook. Okay. Let's see. From starting, we shall do from the list. So firstly, I will be creating a list here. Okay. I will be creating a list of name fruits. I will give some fruits here now. Okay, I have written some fruits. I will just print this list first. Okay, just I want to print this list. So I'll just write as fruits, print fruits. I will get the print of the list. So my list is nothing but apple, banana, cherry, and mango. Next, I will perform some indexing and slicing. Okay, some indexing and slicing for list operations. These are nothing but the list operations. Okay, I will perform some indexing and slicing. First, I will take some numbers. I am taking some numbers 10. Okay, these are some numbers. First, if I want to do this indexing, I will do a indexing first. Indexing, I have said we will just take some number which I want, which element do I want as my indexing number, and I will take that and I will write it. Okay, if I want the first element, I will write as 0, because in for indexing will be starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So if I want the first number, then I will write as 0. If I want second number, then I will write as 1. So I will just print the statement now. Print, my variable name is nothing but numbers, so I will just write as numbers, and I will give one more bracket. If I want the first element, I'm writing 0 here. Okay. If I want second element, I will write as 1. Okay. So this is nothing but indexing. First element is 10, right? So I'm getting 10. Second element is 20, so I'm getting 20. This is how the indexing works. If I'm doing same thing for slicing, slicing is nothing but we are taking some of the part. If I want to take only the part from 20 to 40 only, for that we are doing the slicing. What I will do is I will print a statement. I will print numbers as if I want the indexing from first first, which is nothing but 20 to 40 or something. Okay, I will just give a index as I need from first one, meaning I should get from 20 till 4. Okay, I will get till 50 here. See here, till 4, I wanted from first 4. It will take 1, 2, 3. fourth element is excluded here. It will not take only till third element. If I'm writing, it is taking that only. Okay, from if I want till third element only, if I want till 40 only, I will write as 4. If I want till 50, I will write here as 5. By default, you may be confused why we are taking from 1 to 4 na, but why we are not getting the fourth element, we are getting the third element. So that is how this is inbuilt it. This is how it is working. Python, it is inbuilt in like that only. If you want till 50, you have to give till 5, even one number extra. Oh sorry, one number extra, then you will get here till there. Okay, that is how it is working, so you have to remember this. Okay, this is nothing but the slicing and indexing. Next we have some methods also in the list. We will do that also. In the list we have some methods which are nothing but if I want to add new element or delete some specific element or sort some elements or something. We have already taken our list now. I will take this list only. I will just take the third element or something. Okay. So this list I'm taking. This is my list, and first we will do first operation, which is nothing but if I want to do append operation. Okay, I'm doing an append operation. Here what I will do is in append, if you remember, we can add new element using it. Now I'm having my fruits as apple, banana and cherry, right? If I want to add anything, I can just write as fruits, which is nothing but my variable name fruits dot, and I will write as append. And what I want to add that element, I will write. I want to add mango, so I'll write as mango. This okay. Next operation I will do, will print the statements at the last. Okay, we'll print the statement at the last. First we will write all the methods which are there. Then if I want to remove anything, okay, if I want to remove anything, wait, well, let's see what is the output of this print. I will write, see here what we can see. My list is nothing but apple, banana and cherry. Now my list is updated with mango also here. So this is how the append system is working. Next we shall write as remove. This is how you are deleting it. Now we have added this mango. Now we will delete this mango. Okay, so I'll write my variable name. I will just write as remove, and I will, which element do I want to remove, I will remove that element. Again write a print statement. Okay, see here, my, in my list mango is removed. Now we have the same list as apple, banana and cherry. Okay, next we will see some sorting. How the sorting works. So I have said it will work in ascending order, but here we are not having any numbers or anything. We are having some strings, we are having some alphabets here, letters here. So how it will be sorted? If I want to sort, it will be sorted according to an alphabetical order. Okay, it will be sorted according to that. So we will just write as the, we will give the, what we say, we will give the variable name, and I will just write as sort. Okay, and close the brackets. And if I want to print the statement, I will just write the print statements and everything. Okay, see here, it is sorted according to apple, banana and cherry. Wait a second, what I will do, I will take one more list here. Okay, wait, I will take a list here. Okay, this is my another list which I have taken. If I want to sort this, I will just write as sort the list of it, and I need a print statement. So let's see how it will be working here. Okay, see here. In the previous example already it is sorted like A, B and C. So I have taken another example. So see here. First it is taking carrot because after C there is an A. So that's why it is taking carrot. And after C here this is U. So it's taking that as second one. And lastly we have a LHE which is there in the last. This is how the sorting is working. In the, if you are doing for strings it will be taking it as alphabetical order. If you are doing it same in the number numerical format, it will be taking as that. We will do a numerical format also. Wait a second. Okay, this is a numerical format. Let's see what else happens. Okay, see here. We have got the ascending order from 1. Again, we have 6. 7 is repeated 2 times. So, 7 is 2 times and everything. This is how the sorting and everything is working in numerical order. Okay. Next, what we have, we can also do a length to find out how many elements are there. Okay. So, I will just write as print the fruits, which length of fruits. See here. In this we have three fruits, right? Apple, banana, and cherry. So it is printing as three. If you are having some more than that list, it will give you the total fruits values and everything. Next we shall do the tuples. Okay, wait. I will give it in markdown so that it is visible. Okay, we are doing some tuples here now. So tuple is similar to list only, but we cannot modify the tuples once we are writing because it is immutable. We cannot change it after it is created. Okay, we cannot change it. Okay. First, what we will do, we will create a tuple and we will print it. And we should also see whether we can update it or not. We cannot update it because it is a tuple and it is immutable. Even that, we will see what will happen if we are updating it. Okay. First, we are creating a tuple as numbers. Okay, we will create it. And if I want to just print it, I will just write as the print statement and I will print off this. Okay, wait a second, guys. This is taken in the form of list. I want it in the form of tuple. So it is taking now in the form of list, and we can just take it. If I want to get the access of any element, can get the access of any element. No need of worrying about that. Now if I want to get the access of first, okay, I will get the number which is there. This is first number, right? This is 0 and this is first index. So I will get the access of it. I'm giving the access, but I will not get the I will not get to update and everything. Okay, what I will do is I will just check number. I will just check if I can update it or not. Okay, so I will just write as update. If I want to update the first element as 60, where let's see what will happen. See here, we cannot update. Tuple does not support this assignment and everything. We are getting line in our code. This is a type error. Okay. Next we will see some strings also. Okay, we will see some strings. In strings, if I'm taking some text, anything which is written in the form of codes, that is taken as strings only. Okay, I have taken a text Python programming. Okay, here I have taken. Now, if I want, I will do some string operations here. I will do a index, slicing, uppercase, lowercase, split words, replace if I want to do any replace and everything. Okay, first I will do indexing. So indexing, how it is done, I will just write as print, and my variable name is text na. So I will just write as text. If I want to get the zero element which is there, I will just get it. Wait a second. I will give a long statement here. Wait. Indexing we will do. I have a variable name and I'm having a Python programming. So in this we have some indexing like positive indexing, negative indexing. Okay. Positive indexing is nothing but we will get it in positive values if I'm writing like 0, 1, 2, 3. And negative indexing is also there, which is nothing but 0, -1, -2 or something like that. That is nothing but if I'm writing -1, I will get the last element. If I'm writing -2, I will get the second last element. So first we will see how to do a positive indexing. Okay, positive indexing we shall see. So I will write, if I want to get the print of my first character, so I'll just write as first character and I will write as my string which I'm having. Wait a second. Okay, wait, not text. If I want, I will get the print of first element. Wait a second, why is it not working? Okay, we will check it after some time. So that is how your first string is working. Okay, I will write a print statement here, print of it, which is nothing but my first character. Okay, and I will print the statement here. Okay, if I'm writing like this, I will get the print of my statement. Okay, and this is how the string is working. If I want to get the uh, same I want to convert it into the upper format and everything. I will just write as text dot upper and I will format it. See here. Now I'm having this Python program in small letters. Like if I'm writing, I want to get the statement written all the capital letters only. Then I will just write as Python programming and Python program is converted into everything into capital letters. So that is how it is working. Uh, okay. Next, if I want to split anything, I will just write as print which variable I want to split and everything. That I'm writing my variable name is text, so I'm writing text and I will write as split. Okay, I want to split anything. That is how you're splitting. Now Python is in another string and programming is in another string. Now if I want to replace anything, so I will just write as print. I will give the variable name which is nothing but text and I will write as replace. Okay, how I will do is if I want to replace this name which is there Python, I want to replace it by data. Okay, so see here data programming we have got. if I, Firstly we are giving the variable which we want to replace and what value we are replacing it, that value we are giving, then that a text is replaced. So that is how it is working. We shall do a small programming here to find out the word count from a sentence. That is nothing but okay. We shall continue with the dictionary operations now. We shall take some dictionary data set and we shall do some operations in this. Okay. So firstly, I'm taking a variable as student. Okay, I'm writing the name. So anything which is written in text should be written in strings only. So I will just write as name. Okay. And I will write the marks of Ali. Okay. Writing the marks here. Now what I will do is first one operation. I will add a new key value pair. Okay, new key value pair I will add, which is nothing but if I want here, this is my dictionary, right? If I want to add anything, how I will add, I will see that how I will add and everything. Okay, how I will add. If I want to just add, I will just write as the variable name which is the student. I want to add grade here. Okay, and this grade should be A grade. So if I'm writing like this, I will get my student ID updated in the form of grade A. Wait a second, guys. Center key. Okay, this is there, and I will write a print statement here, like student. Remove the statements. Caps. Wait a second, some error is there. Okay, see here. Now my dictionary is updated as grade is also there. Grade is intended. I am getting as name Ali and age. I'm getting marks. I'm getting, and my dictionary is updated with A and everything. Okay, that is how you're adding an element in this. Next, what we shall see how to remove also, how to get indexing and everything. We shall do that. Okay, we will see how to update first. So I will just write as some update. If I want to update the student list, which is marks, if I want to update marks to another marks, okay, I'll just write as marks. No need of anything, just no need of writing anything, add or update or something. In this, we have not written anything, we just added. So we are just updating anything, any marks if I want to there, if I want to update it. My list is there. I'll just write the print statement. See here, I have got new marks which is nothing but 90. My list is updated to 90. Marks list is updated. If I want to delete something, any key value pair, I will just write as delete, which I will give the variable name. And what do I want to delete, that I will write. I want to delete the age. So I'll just write as delete age. Okay, wait. Oh, give the print statement of this. And I will give a print statement here. Wait, this is not taking. Why is it not taking? Let me see. Okay, we'll check this afterwards. We will move on to another data type. After dictionary, we are having sets now. So we'll do that operations only. We'll take the sets and everything. We will take two sets here. Okay, we will take two sets and we will check how it is working. Okay, we will take two sets and see how it is working, like how we can do the union, how we can do the intersection and everything. Okay, I will take my first set as, and every time we are writing sets in a curve brackets only. Okay, remember that. So this is my first set, and I am taking the second set also, set 2. Okay, now I have two sets here, each of four numbers and everything, 1 2 3 and 4, and 3 4 5 and 6. So these two sets are there. Firstly, we will perform union here. Union is nothing but we will get all elements, but we will not get repeated elements here. So I'll just write as print. If I want to get the union of everything, just write as union, and I want the set 1 union, right? Here this is nothing but I will get the text. Okay, text I'm writing, and I'm writing as union set 1. For set 1 I need the union, and with for what I'm doing the union with set 2 I'm doing. So I'll just write as set 2. Okay. So see here, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 is repeated 2 times here, and 4 is repeated also 2 times, but I'm not getting that 2 times. I'm getting only one single time only. So that is how a union is working. Same if want to do for intersection, I can do for intersection. Intersection is nothing but here it will take only the common elements. Now common element is 3 and 4, right? So I will get the 3 and 4 in my printing statement. So if I'm writing print, I need the intersection, right? So I'll give the text. Okay, I need a text. Now I want to perform the intersection for set 1 and set 2. So I'll just write as set 1 dot, I need intersection. So I'll just write as intersection. For what I want the intersection for set 2 I want. So I'll just write as set 2. Okay, and I will print the statement. See, I have got 3 and 4 because these are nothing but the common elements. If I want to find out the common elements, then I will write the intersection and I will find out. If I want to get all the elements but not repeated elements, then I will write as union. So this is how the union and intersections are working. Okay. Next we shall write a small code also. Code for counting the frequency of words using the dictionary. Okay, what we shall do, we will write a sentence here. We will give a sentence, any sentence. Python is easy, and Python is easy, and Python is powerful. So this is my text here. What I'm doing is I'm counting the frequency. I'm counting the frequency of words in this dictionary. So if I want to split this word first, if I can split that first, I will just write as a sentence, words, and split it. And I will write frequency. Firstly, what I'm doing is I'm telling that my dictionary is empty. So this is empty dictionary. So I'm writing my dictionary is empty. I'm giving, and I'm giving for in. First, let me write and I will show you what is the meaning of this code. Okay. So we have written this code, and then this we have written a sentence like Python is easy and Python is powerful. So this is nothing but a string is stored in the variable which is sentence. Again, I'm writing a split function. The split function why I'm writing as words which is equal to split dot sentence dot split. So the split function breaks the sentences into and individual word. Like you can see in this output, we have got the answer in different individual words. Python is there, is there, and everything. And there's different words are there. And after that, I'm giving that my dictionary is initially empty. My dictionary is initially empty dictionary and everything. So I'm giving as empty dictionary. Empty I'm giving. My frequency is empty. Because an empty dictionary is created to store the frequency count. This is my frequency count here down. For that frequency count, for storing those values, I'm giving an empty dictionary. Okay. And after that, I'm using a loop. For loop I'm using here. For loop, which is nothing but looping through each word in the list. We are looping the words in the list and everything we are doing. And I have got this get word of 0, which is nothing but returns the current count of the word. By default the current count is 0. Okay. 0 which is not found. If 0 is not found, then it will take another value plus 1, it will add and it will take. That's why I have written plus 1. If default any value is not there, you just add that value with addition with 1, and you give that value. Okay, add that value and give. Next I'm writing the final frequency of the dictionary. So my output is nothing but Python 2. So what is the meaning of Python 2 is 2 and everything is easy one. That is nothing but Python is repeated two times now here. That's why it is giving 2. Is repeated two times. So that is it is giving 2. Easy is only one time, and is one time, powerful is one time only. So I'm giving 1. I'm getting 1 1 1 here. Python is two times. So I'm getting 2 here. So if I want to count the frequency, total frequency of the words, total how many times these words are there and everything, I want to get that. I will write this code. Okay.